Before we get to the video of teeth cleaning, let me introduce you to the star of the video. Her name is Sissy. We've been together for about 12 years and she's a terrific lap cat. As you can see, if I'm sitting down anywhere in my apartment, she'll be on my lap. If I'm lying down, she'll find a way to get on my stomach, my chest, my legs, anywhere. Same thing if I'm leaning against something. She'll just find some way to get next to me. And to be honest with you, I can't complain because, I mean, look at that face. What a beauty.
Hey there. If you have a cat and you're like me, you didn't realize that cats can get cavities, cats can get gum disease, and it is a deadly disease for animals as well as for humans. So what I did is I brought my cat, who you'll see in a second, and you've already seen in the previous clips, you'll see that how I clean her teeth. Now, I kind of got to it a little bit late. She had already lost a canine. I'm not sure what I call it a canine since it is a cat. Would you call it a feline? Anyway, she lost one of the vampire teeth, that's what I call it. So brought her to the vet, had her teeth cleaned, and then the vet told me that I should take better care of her teeth. Now what she said is you can get a brush, and this is one of the brushes I got, or you can get a cloth, and she recommends a cloth, and I find the cloth to be a lot easier. But if you like the brush, at first, it's a little difficult to get them used to it. So basically what I did with Sissy is I got it closer to her, I petted her with it, this and that, touched her face with it, and eventually I got it into her mouth, slowly but surely. It took over maybe a little bit of time every day for about a week. And then she still struggled with it, but I was able to get it in and clean her teeth. But like I say, I prefer to use a damp cloth. And I'll show you exactly how I do that. And I had to do the same kind of process, get it closer to her, and she of course doesn't like it because it is damp. So what I do is just use a drier end and get that close to her mouth. Now the problem is cats have a very small mouth and I've got big fingers. So you just have to work around, and the good thing is all we have to do is the outer part of the teeth, because if you've ever been licked by a cat, you know that their tongue is very rough, kind of like sandpaper. So all I gotta do is get up under her lips and work it around the outer portion of her teeth, around the gums, and it's easier said than done, as you'll see, but it can be done. And give me 1 second and I'll see if I can get... Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, look at you. You're a good little girl. So this is Sissy. Say hi, Sissy. Hello, hello. So anyway, what I do is this. Basically just take that cloth, and she really does not like it. Remember that, okay? But I do it because I love her. So we get up underneath, come here, where are you? Underneath her gums, and wipe it around. And I'll see if I can get a little closer here, see if the camera will focus on it. And you just get up underneath there, and oops, and you wipe it around, and you clean her teeth. Thank you, baby. So that's pretty much it. Put that down to clean it later. And if you love your cat, you have a good cat like I've got, you'll clean her teeth, if not every day, at least every other day. And this is the best lap cat, so I got to take extra special care of her because I want her to be around for a lot longer. Right now she's about 12 and a half years old, and she's healthy. At least that's what the last checkup said. And she's getting a little slower, but overall she's a very good cat. My little black cat, not very photogenic, but a beauty in real life. So anyway, you have a good day, and get out there, get a brush, or get a cloth, or get a medicated cloth, because they do sell them. I'll put links below, and you can find them, of course, on Amazon, or if you go to a pet store, you can find plenty of options there. Oh yeah, and one other thing, when you go to the pet store, get some cat chews. I don't mean cat shoes, I mean cat chews, what they chew on. And those are very good. They're dental chews is what they're actually called. You can get them for your cat, and if you have a dog, you can do the same exact thing for your dogs as well. But cat chews, they're hard food, basically is what it is. Hard food that they chew on. I feed her kibble, and that's what the dentist, that's what the doctor said, the vet said is the best thing for her teeth, because soft food gets caught up in their gums and everything in between the teeth, just like it would with ours. But so get them some chews, get some brush or get a cloth, and clean their teeth, if not every day, at least every other day. This way your cat will be around for a good long time, and you'll have plenty of enjoyment together. Anyway, have a good day.